everyone. It's a pleasant morning and the city looks so beautiful without people roaming around everywhere. It's approximately 5 around the morning. I don't know what, but not electricity at least because I don't see any vehicles. Okay, let's get going then. Beautiful in the morning. Of the morning. It's not too bright, but the phone makes it. Not an issue. It's always more beautiful than online. As you can see, here is the riverfront. Yeah. See you at the next stop. Bye-bye. I don't know how they created such huge buildings. It doesn't seem to be Ahmedabad. Still, it's great. And I see coconut thing over here. I'll go and have it if I can. Oh, another big ass building. Definitely smells. People are riding their cycles. And they are walking. We are 16.5 kilometers away from our destination. Let's complete that. I found another board that says that Thol is 25 kilometers away. I don't know which one to believe. But let me continue. I know I can believe Google Maps. I can always rely on it. Now let's just. We are going pretty fast, and hopefully the board will tell us how much kilometers are remaining now. Beautiful again. Vegetation and stuff, guys. It's all green, all green. Yes, I'm at the last node of the century. I'm gonna reach there, so it's only 1 kilometer. Started monsoon. I just wanted to impress this beauty. The weather too, it's with us. I never dreamed of having such a beautiful place near Ahmedabad. I have entered the Thol sanctuary. It's as beautiful as it gets. The process I'll explain you in a few minutes. Let me find a good spot first. This is how it looks from the inside. No roads and stuff. Just land. A car can come through. But the parking fees for car are just too much. They charge you around 500 rupees. Don't know why. 500 is just too much, bro. Half of 1,000. Hello again everyone. I am at the Thol sanctuary. It's 7 o'clock, almost 7 o'clock. There aren't many people here. I see more monkeys than people. Wait, somebody's calling me. One information that I would like to share. You will have to cross 1.5 kilometers after coming inside here. So better come with a vehicle. There is no parking charge for two-wheelers, but there is 500 rupees for four-wheelers. Let me climb in here and let's see what's going on there. Here monkeys. Monkey. Other monkeys. And then there is the bird sanctuary. I think this is as good as it gets. It's monsoon and all. Let me walk around it for some time. Then let me search for some places on Google Maps too. Oh, I see a cross right over there. Weird. So many monkeys in here. They are playing. They shouldn't play. Yeah, but one interesting thing. Oh, it's open up right over here. So they won't allow you to bring in plastic. Yeah, they took some of my snacks outside. So I would suggest you to bring a plastic container lunch box, your breakfast in there, instead of just bringing a. No, they won't allow plastic in this facility, this sanctuary. That territory hits. Black trees and grey water. Peacock. Used to hear it a lot in my college. Peacocks are very rare in cities. Great. Thorny bushes. So many thorns on it. Yeah, another thing. They won't allow you to bring DSLR inside. I mean to say that they will charge you if you have a DSLR or SLR kind of cameras. Also, one more surprising thing that I noticed was that the entry fee for foreigners is around $12.5. They are charging it in dollars. Don't know why. They are ripping them off, nothing else. They cannot just come here and chill out for a moment. Yeah. Overpriced. $10 is around 820 rupees. And I paid 50. So many insects right now. I want to go near to that lake. I am finding for a sweet spot to land over there. There are so many webs too. Spider webs and all. At least I did something good this weekend. Oh, I see something white. Next, bro, what is that? Some kind of ant hill? Are there ants in it? Oh no, that's a beehive. I see one big bee over there. Yeah, it just flew off. Yeah, it's buzzing over there if you can see. It's a beehive, very big beehive. Let me stay away from it. Don't want to get stung by a bee today. Throw on the bushes and stuff. But oh, so many spider webs. These guys have blocked the path using a tree so that nobody can enter using a activa or a car to this route. Don't know if this is deliberately done or it was an accident. Let me continue walking through it. See a bit. It's an open spot after a while, and it has pictures of some birds in here. Okay. Turnstone. Then watercock. Oh. Black-winged stilt. Rough. Bar-tailed godwit. Black-tailed moorhen. Then other birds. Oh, what is that bird? What happened to him? It's some kind of goose. But this place has a beautiful view of the sanctuary. The weather is also amazing right now. Not lying. And this is how it looks. Great, I guess. Area is quite dark. No sunlight. Let me continue. Wow, different kind of tree. Butterfly. What? Mosquitoes on my leg. I don't want dengue or malaria today. I'm quite near to the birds, but some of them flew away. Just like that guy. But let me zoom on other birds who still stayed in there. What is that bird? I don't know. I don't want to know. Some other birds. Not here for watching birds and all. Here to enjoy this view. I managed to sneak into bananas. I'll eat them right here. Then I will leave because, oh, what are those things? Some kind of cows, some kind of deer. Don't know. Waiting for it then. Just like them. Good place, good place. And yeah, another thing, the coconut guy. He was trying to rip me off. He was charging me around 70 rupees for a small coconut. But I buy my coconuts from Reliance Smart and other places like that. There I can buy a huge coconut for 44 rupees. Once I bought a 2.3 kilogram coconut. That's quite huge. So compared to small coconuts. Lots of water in them. Also those taste sweet. If you want to get away from the hustle and bustle of city, you can definitely come take a stroll over here. The view here is amazing. I love it. These birds. Yeah, these kind of birds aren't afraid of anyone. They are just hopping around. See? Just ate 2 bananas as breakfast. There are tiny islands here, then only one tree over there. Yeah, don't know how they formed the first place. Another thing, how did this like kings and queens? Oh, what is going on right here? Dung beetles doing their work. Keep going, guys. Yeah, carrying shit and all. Oh, it started to, like, I don't know if you can see it, but it has started to rain quite a bit now. Doesn't concern me. Just don't want it to rain heavily, or else I get wet. I see dustbins. I can drop banana peels in there. Don't need them anymore. Yeah, just see this beautiful plant. It has these drops on it. Such a good weather today. Perfect day for Thol. It's quite slippery here. Huh? There are these big trees and stuff. I am almost back to the parking. Go and see what these buildings are. See a cool spot out right down there. Let me go there. Take some pics and stuff. Back at the parking and see what I have with me. Plastic, polythene and banana peels and all other stuff. This will directly go into the dustbin. One more thing that I wanted to show you guys. See, it's all wet. It was spraying in here. Oh, that thing. Sorry. Do you see that bird? That is my vehicle. I don't have a license plate, but that kind of kingfisher, I don't know what that is. Woodpecker, yeah. Woodpecker is pecking my mirror. Don't do it, my friend. Oh, it go off. Lucky. Yeah, I'll be going out now. I want to check what. Definitely. I found a paved path at the entrance. I should have definitely started from here. And at the end of this path, I see something. There is definitely something worth it. And bro, just to see them birds. All this white trash, that are birds. Same thing for the other island. What are these birds doing in here? Get lost? Okay. And yes, the sun, Monkey D. Luffy, is not out yet. will be out on 6th August. So don't forget to watch it. Sun God Mika. Mention something. I brought food for dogs. See? Parle-G. And I also like these biscuits. I also eat it with them. Goodbye, Thol Bird Sanctuary. Yeah, very good for yeah, but definitely one thing that you need to note before coming here is don't bring plastic packets. If you want to have a picnic-like experience, bring lunch boxes, plastic containers and other stuff. They won't allow you to take packets. And bro was driving so fast. I'm only riding with one hand. Yeah, don't bring plastic packets. They won't allow you to. Also, water bottles. Bring a big steel bottle or something like that. That is much more better than having plastic bottles out here. They will check your car, so don't try to, trespass anything. That was cool, man. Good experience. Very calm. From the society. Bye everyone. Take care. Peace. I found another spot. Seems to be a railway station kind of thing. I'm trying to climb it right now. Let's see where it takes me. If I can see a train and stuff like that. Oh, definitely yes. A train is coming. Do you see it? Petrol or something.